Radar's been pretty quiet over the last couple weeks. Saw some rain on radar at least throughout the afternoon. Since then, not much happening on radar, at least locally. Any kind of showers and thunderstorms that we saw off to our north fizzling out as at this point. There was a little activity that tried to pop up mainly to the east of I-39 as of this evening, but barely any rainfall recorded, and whatever's left on radar as of right now is mostly just radar debris as of this point, so picking up on bugs and things like that. So it looks a little more active than it actually is, and we'll continue to stay dry and quiet tonight as we slowly clear on out. 55 coming for the overnight low, so another mild night ahead, just like we saw over the last couple nights. Now, with added sunshine and a little more in the way of a breeze, southwest winds will gust up to about 20 miles per hour. That should push temperatures up into the 80s for the first time this week. We've fallen short the past couple days, but we likely will get there into tomorrow afternoon, and we'll hold on to the breezy wind. So as you're planning your Friday evening, if you want to spend a little time outside, you can see temperatures will be warm early in the evening and staying relatively milder later on. Note the breezy winds continuing, gusts up to around 25 to 20 miles per hour, and then only slowly calming down as we get beyond sunset. Looking ahead to the weekend, more of that coming for Saturday. Lots of sunshine. Winds will be a little stronger. That should boost us up into the middle 80s, which is a lot more like early August. And then we start to change. Cold front coming through on Sunday will result in about a 10-degree drop in temperature, and then some scattered rain heading into the evening hours. As we look at future track, you can see that much of Saturday night looking dry and somewhat cloudy. We go into Sunday morning also looking cloudy and quiet. As we get into the afternoon, that line of showers approaching with the cold front, but note, latest trends in the models keeping this off to our north, so even into Sunday evening we're looking dry. It's later on Sunday night into early Monday that we may get the rain to move on through, and then slight chances of rain possible into early next week as temperatures continue to drop. As you can see on the temperature map, that we've got conditions in place that's going to feel a lot more like early August for Saturday. Then comes a big push of colder air, resulting in temperatures by Wednesday feeling a lot more like late October. So from one extreme to the other. Saturday's forecast, again, the normal for August 3rd, but then we're down to about 59, 58 degrees by the time we get to next Wednesday. That's more like late October, so we almost go back a month and then drop down to a month ahead of schedule heading into next week. Quite the change occurring across the state line. Slight chances for rain coming with that as we settle down into the 60s early next week. Then the 50s arrive by late next week. Note the overnight lows down into the 30s, especially Thursday night, 36. Widespread frost likely that night. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, conditions stay that way into next weekend. We've got a couple nights in the middle 30s, days in the middle 50s, may get back to 60 by next Sunday. James and Kristen.
Enjoy that 84 while it lasts. I know, Kristen, I know you will.
I'm going to for sure.